Hi, this is Gabriel Lipper, and welcome to the Landscape Workshop. The inspiration for this workshop is right behind me and pretty much everywhere I go. When I'm on vacation or just taking a little walk in the woods, landscapes are beautiful. Nothing's more inspiring than responding to the world around us and taking an easel out on location, grabbing a paintbrush or even just a little set of watercolors is an incredible experience that everyone should have. A photograph of a landscape never does it any justice, and that's why it's so important for me to get myself outside and really have the experience of painting it right then and there. There's just something about the richness of the colors and the beauty of the light that no photograph can ever record properly. But once we learn how to do that in the outdoors, we can bring some of that new inspiration inside and begin finishing our landscapes in beautiful and exciting ways. Landscape is all about color and shapes, and once we understand how to compose a landscape in a dynamic way, we can begin to show the depth and expanse of the view in front of us. We'll be tackling design, and I'll be teaching you ways of composing your landscapes that are dynamic and grab your viewer's attention, even if you're just looking at a field of green or an ocean and a beach. We'll jump into the relationships of warm and cool colors and how you can stretch perspective and create a largeness in everything that you paint just through the use of the juxtaposition of those colors. We'll tackle different mediums like oil, acrylic, and even gouache. Whether you're traveling with a little kit or you're setting up with a French easel in your backyard, you'll have the opportunity to learn how to create dynamic hillscapes, beautiful beach scenes, and everything in between. I'll even get into the abstraction of landscape, coupling playgrounds from underneath with solid dimensional landscapes over the top. When I talk about creating playgrounds, I'm talking about using spontaneous brushwork and vivid color as a jumping off point for a landscape that's not only beautiful, but energetic. By the end of this workshop, you are going to have some beautiful landscapes that you'll be proud to show in a gallery or at least hang on your wall. And you'll also have the confidence and ability to take your landscape kit out into the world and create some new masterworks. Throughout my career, I've used landscapes as a way to check in with where I'm at. It's a place where I can meditate on the beauty of the world and slow down, quiet myself, get away from my phone. There's nothing really better than painting the landscape. So give yourself some time and the gift of this landscape workshop, and I hope to see you there.